Coverage tonight of the murder trial of Brian Golsby. Jury selection is officially underway. If convicted, Brian Golsby could face the death penalty for the rape and murder of 21-year-old Reagan Tokes. Prosecutors say she was killed after leaving a restaurant in the Short North where she worked last February. Golsby was linked to the murder through DNA and GPS data collected from the ankle bracelet he was wearing since his earlier release from prison. NBC4's Ted Hart is live tonight at the courthouse with the very latest developments. Ted?
Well, and the jury pool in a case like this gets whittled down a number of times. First, there are those who believe they have legitimate reasons to be excused. They can go. Then there are attorneys who ask questions about the death penalty. Then there are questions about media coverage and other things as well. But it started today with each juror filling out a form with more than 100 questions. Opening statements are still 10 days away, but the process of Brian Golsby's trial officially got started today.
Is each side prepared and ready to go to trial?
The judge did not make a decision yet on whether to allow local media to live stream the trial proceedings. Golsby's attorneys argued live streaming would be overly intrusive.
Moreover, we need to talk to our client during the trial. And if these microphones, and they're good, they're sensitive, if they can pick up on those things, again, it's interfering with the Sixth Amendment right to counsel. So we're vehemently opposed to live streaming throughout the trial.
All of next week is set aside for selecting the jury. The process started today with 200 prospective jurors and a 22-page questionnaire asking about their backgrounds, their families, their beliefs about crime and punishment. This case has drawn an extraordinary amount of media coverage, so much that the defense asked for a change of venue. The judge denied that, and prosecutor Ron O'Brien is confident that they will be able to pick a jury.
I have found in a whole series of cases, not only here but across the state, that jurors are able to set aside whatever they may have seen, heard, or read about the case and decide the case only on the evidence they hear in the courtroom. And that's the standard.
And of the nearly 200 prospective jurors today, about a third of them asked to be excused for legitimate reasons, and most of those requests were granted. And beginning Monday, the attorneys will start questioning the jurors on matters surrounding the death penalty in small groups. Local for you in Columbus, Ted Hart, NBC4.
Ted, thank you. And you can stay with NBC4 on the air and online for the very latest details on Brian Golsby's murder trial. NBC4 will be in the courtroom every day. And you can download our free news app to get breaking news alerts sent right to your phone.